1 to 9 counting drawing for kids. Tracing the 1. Coloring with blue color. One apple. Black marker tracing the 2. Violet color, coloring in 2 with violet color. Two bananas. Black marker tracing the 3. Violet color, coloring the 3. Three mangoes. Tracing the 4 with black marker. With yellow color, coloring the 4. Four cats. Tracing the 5 with black marker. Green color, coloring the 5. Five eggs. Black marker tracing the 6. Sea green color, coloring the 6. Six elephants. With black marker tracing the 7. Coloring the 7 with brown marker. 7 puppies. Tracing the 8. Coloring the 8 with orange marker. Eight cars. Tracing the 9 with black marker. Coloring the 9 with red marker. 9 fishes. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please subscribe and share.